Hello viewers of Sounding Board. Tonight we're going to look at the order from White Elephant I got. And so, now that we saw it from above, let's see. First off, we'll start with the Super Joe reproduction head, made for the new Mego bodies. If I can open the Ziploc. It actually comes painted, and it comes with a stem, so you can attach it to the old Mego bodies or the new ones. And it has the stemless head, so you can attach it to the modern Mego. And it looks just like Super Joe, except for he has brown hair instead of black hair. But that's no big deal. You can take some paint and a brush and fix all that. But it's Super Joe. You can now have the 8-inch G.I. Joe back on a better body. And this is what I got from White Elephant, other than Lilith. But I've talked about Lilith before. And this is, I think, Holly is what I ordered. And this is a nude buck for the female figure, because they have their own female body design now. There's what it looks like from the front, the side, the back, the side, and the front again. And when I ordered the figure, she came with an extra set of hands, pair of fists, and actually gun hands. And then 2 sets of breast ties. Not as big as Holly's, but good size in this one. Medium size, because she's kind of an A cup here. Figure actually has a real nice sculpted head for a female figure. You could do a lot of stuff with it. There it goes. I've been saving this figure, so she's kind of all tight at the moment. And unlike Holly, she has the ankle joint. She has the double knee joint, double arm joint, wrist, midsection, head, so you can build your own female superhero. You could either paint the body or costume it. They don't give you Kung Fu hands though, but you'll have to make do. It's like take time when something's falling underneath the desk. Well, one of those, if you don't like Holly's hands, you can change them. Because Holly has vampire hands pretty much. And here's what she looks like, if she can stay together. it's two figures look next to each other. They've all got this blank, dead expression to them, so they're almost designed to be horror figures. Lilith is a horror figure. Lilith's dress actually fits better on the smaller breasted figure than on Lilith herself. Because Lilith is kind of a homage to Elvira, a blonde Elvira. With the classic head style, which I just snapped her arm, I think, turning it the wrong way. Yeah, I gotta fix that when I get a chance. It'll stay on, but it's kind of loose now. That's what I get for not paying attention. But she's got that kind of Vampira look. You know, that one from Plan 9 from Outer Space. That whole zombie-ized look. So I want to open these parts up and see what they look like on the figure. Nah. As you can see, this is not super endowed like these, and these are middle of the road. But this one's fine leaving her like this, because that way you have different variations of figures and female figures if you want to customize them to what you want. The ankles are kind of loose on both figures, actually. Until next time, this is the Sounding Board, signing off.